Which small charcoal grill is really worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Gas One 14-inch Portable Grill. The Gas One 14-inch Portable Barbecue Grill. This compact grill caught my attention with its unique 3-point locking lid and excellent ventilation system, and it comes at a price that's pretty reasonable for what you get. If you want a small grill that's super easy to transport and delivers even heat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 150 square inch cooking surface is perfect for steaks or veggies without taking up too much space. The 3-point locking lid is a game changer. It keeps heat trapped, cooking your food uniformly, just like a smoker. Plus, the dual ventilation system allows for constant airflow, making it easier to maintain the perfect cooking temperature. With over 8,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people are excited about this one. Now, some people complained about the grill being on the smaller side, which could be an issue if you're cooking for a big group. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something portable for camping or small gatherings, that's actually a strength. This grill is perfect for those cozy barbecue moments. This is perfect for you if you need a compact grill for quick trips or small cookouts. Skip this one if you're planning to feed a large crowd regularly. At a price that won't break the bank, it's a solid investment for casual grilling.
Product number 2, Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch. We've got the Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch charcoal grill. This grill is a bit pricier at $219, but it really packs a punch with its features. If you want a classic design that delivers consistent results and includes a built-in thermometer, this could be your go-to. Let's talk about what makes this grill special. First off, it has space for up to 13 burgers, thanks to its durable plated steel cooking grate. The one-touch cleaning system is super convenient, allowing you to remove ash quickly without making a mess. The porcelain enameled lid retains heat effectively, while the built-in thermometer helps you keep track of cooking temperatures so you can nail that perfect steak every time. With over 3,000 of these grills sold last month, it's clearly a favorite among many. However, some users noted that the assembly can be a bit tricky, which can be frustrating if you're eager to grill. But honestly, the quality and performance you get once it's set up totally make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, larger grill for family gatherings. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable. Considering the longevity and quality, it's well worth the investment.
Product number 3, Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill. The Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill 22-inch is next on our list. This model shares many features with the premium version, but at a lower price point, making it a fantastic option for those who still want quality without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable grill that focuses on essential features, this is worth considering. What makes this grill shine? It offers the same space for up to 13 burgers and features a durable cooking grate. The one-touch cleaning system is also included, making ash cleanup easy and hassle-free. The porcelain enameled body ensures heat retention and durability, while the aluminum damper helps control airflow for precise cooking. With a solid reputation and over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear this is a trusted choice. One downside mentioned by some users is the lack of additional features compared to the premium version. But here's the thing, if you're looking for simplicity without sacrificing performance, this model is still a winner. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, dependable grill for regular use. Skip this one if you want more advanced features. For the price, it's definitely a great value.
Product number 4, Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch. Budget-friendly $54.99, the Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch charcoal grill is a portable option that's perfect for on-the-go grilling. If you want something compact that still delivers on flavor, this is a solid choice. Why is this grill right for you? First off, the tuck and carry lid lock not only secures the lid during transport, but it also doubles as a lid holder, which is super handy. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and the porcelain enamel finish is both scratch and rust resistant, so you know it's built to last. The ash catcher makes cleanup a breeze, and it can fit about 6 burgers at once. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular for those who need something lightweight. However, some users pointed out that the cooking space might feel small for larger gatherings. But honestly, if you're just grilling for a couple of friends at the park, that compact size is a huge advantage. This is perfect for you if you need a small portable grill for tailgating or picnics.
Skip this one if you need to cook for bigger groups regularly. At this price, it's a steal for casual grillers.
Product number 5, Weber Jumbo Joe 18-inch. The Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill 18-inch. Priced at $89.99, this grill offers a bit more cooking area while still being portable. If you want a balance between size and portability, this one is definitely worth a look. What does this grill offer? The Jumbo Joe features a cooking area of 240 square inches and a durable porcelain enameled bowl and lid. The rust-resistant aluminum dampers help you maintain temperature control, which is key for grilling effectively. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, and it includes a sturdy ash catcher for quick cleanup. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's a popular choice for those seeking a bit more space. One downside is that some users felt it was a bit heavier than expected for a portable grill, but honestly, the extra cooking area you get makes it worth the slight increase in weight. This is perfect for you if you want a portable grill that offers more cooking space without sacrificing convenience. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight. For what you get, it's a great value.
We've looked at the Gas One portable grill for those small gatherings, the Weber Original Kettle Premium for serious grillers, the Original Kettle for a budget-friendly classic, the Smoky Joe for on-the-go grilling, and the Jumbo Joe for a mix of portability and space. Each has its strengths, so think about what you really need. Happy grilling!